Kumusta po kayong lahat? Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel, The Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today, we got my service truck, my 1997 Chevy Astro. And we are going to repair my flat tire. As you can see in here on my rear tire. It's not that totally flat, but look at every 2 days it's become like this, and I put some air on it. Then again, like I said, after 2 days to be like that. So probably there is a hole somewhere. So let's just remove the tire and let's figure it out or find it out. Where's that leak coming from, or where's the hole? Okay, let's do it. Let's check the car. Let's remove the tire. Get the tire. Alright, upon inspection with the tire, see this. There is, what's this? A nail. Yeah, this is the only nail I found. I already checked everything and it's nothing. It's all clean. So I'm pretty sure there's only like one nail in this. So I'm just gonna remove this and show you how I'm gonna patch this one. Okay. Alright guys, so in patching this we will be using this brand, Big 4. Using this and then a couple of this too. Okay, so let me remove the nail first. Or I think this is a screw. Come on. Oh boy. It's a big screw. Look at that. It's not that pointed, but holy crap. Really? How does this get in here? Well, anyway, this we found the hole, and then what I'm going to do is make the hole a little bit big. So I'm using this. Alright. Now it's already big enough. Let's put this on. Let's get one of this. This is sticky. So see this. Let's put it onto the hole. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to put it in, but just be patient. Come on. Okay, almost there. Sometimes you need a pliers to pull this one. I'll go get some pliers. Right, see this? Get some pliers, then pull it like that. It should be on a halfway. There you go. That's good enough. And now, this one, let's insert it in here. See it? Oh boy. See that? See that? So just leave just probably quarter or 1/3. That's good enough. See this? You only leave just a little, and then pull this one. Pull it. And that's it. Then just leave it like that. That's it. And then let's put some air. Now let's put some air. Alright, so we already put an air on it. Then let's measure it. So I put 32 to 34 psi. Now let's double check if there's still a leak in here. Let's put some water. Hold on. Now let's spray some water. That's it. No leak. You know what? Hold on. Let me remove this extra. There you go. Wow, no leak. Show it to you up close right here. No leak at all. Nothing. No bubbles. Alright, that's already fixed. Let's put back the tire. And let's torque it for 100 foot-pounds. So, there you go. That's how you repair a flat tire for your car. That Victor patch only cost me like $8 from Canadian Tire, and it will only took you at least 15-20 minutes. So that's it. If you had any question about this video, please comment down below and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.